One mistake could spiral into hours or even days of self doubt. But the way you respond can actually turn setbacks into growth and protect your confidence. One simple practice is a quick reflection that helps you shift perspective. I'll show you how I do it in Google Docs. I just wrote in Google Docs, what did I learn? And how will I improve after a recent mistake? You can pause the video and try it yourself. Keeping the answers short and positive makes it easy to reflect without getting stuck in negativity. This simple step helps you process mistakes quickly, but real resilience comes from consistent practice. That's exactly what the Confidence Challenge teaches. A 5 step method to reframe setbacks, build stronger confidence, and bounce back faster. Plus, you get online marketing sales funnel templates and a customized high ticket business plan to help you take that confidence and apply it to real world action. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start turning mistakes into stepping stones for confidence.